Hey all, it's Susannah, and we've got a real challenge this month, and I'm excited for all of us. We're going to get really strong in our hearts this year. So this is a power move and an agility move. So the agility part is stepping side to side, so side steps, and we'll use our arms as well. That's going to help get our heart rate up. So it's a side step for 20 seconds, and then we will do hops or heel lifts, but with power, with velocity, and that will be for 10 seconds. So it's a 30-second interval. We'll take a 10-second break, and then we'll do it again, and then we'll do it again. And you absolutely have the option to keep it completely no impact by lifting your heels, or you can hop, okay? And go at your own pace. I'm going as fast as I can. That's going to get my heart rate up. You go as fast as you can. That's safe for you. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to be watching the clock and keeping us on track for the time. So the side to side move is this. We're going to just go side to side. Step outs. And okay, I'm going to start us going from right now, 20 seconds. Step side to side, fast, but carefully. Five more seconds. Okay, now we'll do our hops or heel lifts. So it's inhale, lift and come down, or take off and hop for 10 seconds. So I'm starting now. Don't forget to breathe. Good. Take a break. Take a 10-second break is all. Ready? We're going to side step starting now. Side to side. 10 more seconds. Okay, and now we'll do the hop. Either hop or lift the heels, but do it with power. It's a squat, right? It's a bend and a lift. Last 5 seconds. Good. Again, take a break. 10-second break. My heart rate's up. How about you? All right. And last round, side to side. Side steps, last 10 seconds. Good, 10 seconds of hops. And last time. That's it. All right. How's your heart rate? We're going to get so strong this month. Comment below your experience. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.